All right, class. So talking about, again, lung capacities and volumes, I'm just going to plot this on a graph, so you understand it better. So on the x-axis, we see time. On the y-axis, we see volume in mils. And we go from 1,000 to 6,000 volumes, 6,000 mils. So right here, this is where we start breathing normally, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Okay. Now, when you want to force more air out of your lungs, you go all the way down and then you come back here. And then again, you breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And then if you want to add more air to your lungs, you take a deep breath and you go all the way here. And then you again come back here and you can actually expel all the excess air. And you go breathing in, breathing out like this. Okay, so here I have drawn important lung volumes and capacities. Now let's take a look. This right here, this is your tidal volume. Okay. So here, this value right here, this is your expiratory reserve volume. This volume right here is your inspiratory reserve volume. And this right here is residual volume. Okay, so I have plotted RV, ERV, TV, and IRV. These are the 4 volumes you must know. Now, if you add up everything, then this whole thing, I should use a different color. Let me take green. Okay, so this whole RV plus ERV plus TV plus IRV, this whole thing is total lung capacity. Okay. Now, what if you are looking at only tidal volume and IRV? So if you're looking here, this is your inspiratory capacity or IC. This is your inspiratory capacity. If you are thinking about ERV plus RV, this is your functional residual capacity or functional residual volume. Functional residual volume. And if you are total lung capacity, inspiratory capacity, functional residual volume. What else am I missing? Am I missing anything? Vital capacity, sorry class. So if you think of all this from here, let me take a different color. If you think of here all the way to here, so essentially you are looking at ERV plus TV plus IRV. This is your vital capacity. So again, we talked about 4 capacities and 4 volumes. All right, that's the end.